So you guys, welcome back to Jacques Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more videos on how to use your laptop more easily. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to delete something permanently. So that's my recycle bin. As you can see, it has only two things in it. So for this particular video, I'm going to show you guys, I decided to select that image file called images. So after selecting the file, while you want to delete, you can basically press on your keyboard the shift, you press and hold the shift button, and then you press delete. So for those who don't know the shift and delete buttons, you can clearly see them on the image file. So after pressing, you'll see a confirmation window loading titled delete file. So it's asking you to select yes so that you permanently delete the file. So you can clearly see that the file has disappeared. So I want you guys to see my recycle bin once again so that you see that the file actually didn't come here and it was permanently deleted. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.